welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a braid lock retie. I believe this is her first retie, if I'm not mistaken. I think so. And this basically, people that get braid locks normally come back between 6 to 8 weeks. Braids take a little bit longer to grow out, so they don't need to come as often as you would if you need a twist. Also, with braids, you don't normally have a lot of slippage, so there was no need to replace anything. When she came in for her retie, we were able to wash it, condition it, steam it, and retie it. Most of the rotations I did on her hair are either 3-point or 2-point, depending on the area of the head and also the amount of growth in that area, so on and so forth. She does have a bit of thinning at the crown of her head, so I was mindful of that when retying, but other than that, it was pretty straightforward. I believe this retie took maybe 2.5 hours, if that. Yeah, so if you have any questions, let me know and I'll answer them the best I can. In regards to cleaning up a grid, I always try to make sure that the hair is damp. I think that makes the hair easier to separate if needed. I'll also just do a little combing of the part. You've already seen me do it. It's really just combing a little flyaways away, because normally with braids, once again, there's not a whole lot of slippage. There's not a whole lot of hair growing outside of the lock. It's a much more controlled way of locking your hair, so I don't have to do too much cleaning up of the parting. Now, long term, if the parting does get a bit crazy for whatever reason, then I will straighten it up as needed. However, I will not be forcing things, so I won't be ripping hair from other locks to put it back where it belongs. If it ends up over there and it's tight in there, that's where it's going to stay, and it's going to be just fine.
Picture a youngin' that used to live for the summer, skip meals to go run amongst all his peers. Now fast forward up a few years, that giddy little kitty growed up and all of a sudden had to pay bills. My current dichotomy grown from pure curiosity. Guess I didn't know that part of the deal, or know how quick it get real. Feeling so fleeting, me and myself need a meeting to make it clearer. Conversate with the mirror, watch your language when talking to me. I'm the one that's with you. Speak some life in itself, you should opt in the optimism. When options turn into prisons, getting offered the slimmest pickings. Remember, this place we in is a thief of joy, to steal. But no matter how much it take, I got more to give. I know that this world is all I'm giving, and all of these thrills don't count for living. A little more will is all it takes, so I persevere, I'm not afraid. And right when it's falling off, not all is lost. It's giving me chills, I got a feeling. I gotta see stars and cars I'm whipping, cause none of my dreams involve a ceiling. I seen a child raise a village, and he didn't come from no privilege that made me conquer some limits. I've arisen from prisons, head on collision with visions I had back then, it was written. I've been walking in purpose, I've been coaching myself on life, telling me that it's worth it. It's some things I'm still gonna improve, and the timing is perfect. Still paranoid that I make it lose, like some toxic been lurking, anticipating my every move. On the back of my shirt is a target made to play me a fool. I won't fall to the serpent. Swear to God, I've been working like a doctor and surgeon, trying to piece together the pieces and heal up what hurted. My vice suffice till it don't, it shows. My passion might lead me out to a life is an open door. Sometimes it just takes a little bit more to get me right. Oh, wish you the best if you ain't know this would be like. So I miss so much the days we was rolling for pens and whites. And Lord, it done been some nights, but I'm growing inside this world and keep rolling. I know that this world is all I'm giving, and all of these thrills don't count for living. A little more will is all it takes, so I persevere, I'm not afraid. And right when it's falling off, not all is lost. It's giving me chills, I got a feeling. I gotta see stars and cars I'm whipping.
honestly, as I finish sections, I normally braid them down just to give the hairs more time to dry stretched out. Other than that, I take them out at the end. I hydrate it with a little more water-based leave-in conditioner, and then follow up with the oil, and then that's it. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video.